Iba na coming from you kasi wanna clear things lang ang lumalabas parang inalis ka, hindi ka umalis. May ganun wanna clear things.
Ganun talagang showbiz. Maraming fake news. And depende na sa'yo kung maniniwala ka o hindi. Basta kami, ako, yung production at si Coco, lahat kami okay. At ako po mismo, ako ayokong leave, diba? Ayokong umalis. But again, it was my decision and I had to because of my work na nagpatong-patong na. Dahil 3 months lang talaga umabot na ng 11 months yung taping. So, it was hard for me to call them and tell them na hirap na ako at hindi na din kakayanin.
Pinayagan ka ni Coco? Ayaw niya sana? Ayaw niya sana
Wala
umalis?
naman talaga sa plano namin. But of course, I give time, di ba? Na parang hindi naman pwede next week ayoko na. So sabi ko, Coco, ito parang kung anong month. So I think it was 1 month yung after a month. So
Parang